Well, hey, good day to you. This is Todd. I am a regular dude walking in the Word. We're going through Exodus right now. Today we are going to finish Exodus 32. The whole golden calf incident is going to be concluded today. And this episode is called The Heart of a Leader. You're going to see how Moses has a shepherd's heart, really, okay? A shepherd, a man called by God to lead people, and he has that heart, okay? When he was first called by God, he didn't have that heart, all right? He was called and he was like, remember at the burning bush, he was like, no, Lord, I'm not the guy for this. Get someone else to do it. These are your people, they're not my people, on and on and on, all full of excuses. But here, his maturity has grown as he's been in the presence of the Lord. And he now has the heart of a leader and the heart of a shepherd, really, with these people. So today we're concluding Exodus 32, and as we're reading verses 30 to 35 here. So follow along with me in the Bible here. It says, "The next day Moses said to the people, 'You have committed a great sin, but now I will go up to the Lord. Perhaps I can make atonement for your sin.'" Okay? Moses is telling them like it is. You made a huge sin, but perhaps I can talk to the Lord about it. Okay? Make atonement for this. Verse 31, "So Moses went back to the Lord and said, 'Oh, what a great sin these people have committed. They have made themselves gods of gold. But now please forgive their sin. But if not, then blot me out of the book you have written.'" Okay? Just in the same chapter, he was talking with God. And God was saying, "They're not my people, they're your people." And Moses was saying, "Oh no, they're not my people, they're your people." Neither one was laying claim to these people. But now Moses has the heart to say, "Hey, please forgive their sin." Okay? Even to the point, now get this, "But if not, then blot me out of the book you have written." Okay? Huge thing. Paul said the same thing. It's not, God doesn't want us to do that. I mean, God doesn't say, "Oh yeah, you can do that." No, not at all. But it's that I want you to see the heart that this Moses has changed to. Verse 33, "The Lord replied to Moses, 'Whoever has sinned against me, I will blot out of the book. Now go and lead the people to the place I spoke of, and my angel will go before you. However, when the time comes for me to punish, I will punish them for their sin.' And the Lord struck the people with a plague because of what they did with the calf Aaron had made." Okay, so Moses was not able to atone for him, but he asked for their forgiveness. And God spoke to him frankly and said, I will forgive, or I will punish, those who I need to punish and stuff for their sin. So I'm only going to punish those who sin. I'm not punishing, just everybody, but I'm punishing those who sinned here. So, but the big thing is you grow in Christ. And when you first, you become a leader, when you're immature in Christ, you're all self-centered. That's the way Moses was here at the beginning. He was self-centered. But as time went on, he became more and more like a shepherd and more in love with the people. Okay, these people weren't people to fall in love with, but he fell in love with the people. So much so that he says, "Hey, I'm willing to take their place." All right. Huge thing there. All right. Hey, so that's it for today. Just, I want you to see that example of Moses and how we need to be like that too. Willing to, sacrifice for the people, not be all hard-headed about it. Thanks for watching. I'm just a regular dude walking in the Word, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow as we continue our journey through Exodus. Lord's blessing. I'll see you then.